throwing this away. I hate you. It's ugly. It's awful.
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free.
So let's get on to talking about the Body Shop. I thought there was a better deal at Ulta because they had this collection. So it comes in a box just like this. And it says, you know, the Body Shop on it. It says Soothe and Smooth Almond Milk and Honey Big Gifts. This was about $44, and I will link it down in the description box below, and also with the Body Shop's website in case you want to check out some of their other products. So it has, the value is $67. The value is $67, but it was sold for $44. You get a body butter, a body scrub, shower cream, hand cream, and this Rami. So it comes in a box like this. And that's it. I thought the box was really cute. And I was just honestly keeping it just for this video. Like, I'm definitely going to recycle it probably because I don't really need this at all. And it says on the back, we're partnered with, I think you pronounce it Manan, the almond experts in Spain, who work with a cooperative of local small-scale farmers to produce the community fair trade organic almond milk and oil in this gift. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, and they're all full-size products. These aren't sample products, which I thought was really cool and awesome. So I went with this because I was like, I have sort of sensitive skin, but I also have dry skin, and so I wanted to see if it would cause any irritation. So I guess let's start off with the product that I hated out of the gift box and I think is awful, is this Rami. It's like this plant fiber, almost like loofah. I think it's a plant fiber. I will specify over here if I'm wrong. So it's very small, as you can see in the close-up. And I applied the shower cream to my skin. It didn't lather up. So I was like, is it the shower cream? So then I used my regular loofah or my exfoliating gloves. And I was like, okay, it's this. This doesn't do anything. I put it on and I was like trying to get it suds up. And then I was just like, where's the soap? So this is, I feel like, a gimmick. I don't know, like, I don't feel like it's that hygienic. I mean, I guess you can wash it in the washer. Yeah, wash separately. So I guess that's cool that you could just put it in the washer, because loofahs, you can't really do that. You use it for 2 to 3 months and then you have to throw it away because of the bacteria. But I'm throwing this away. I just wanted to show you guys for the video. Absolutely not. I also bought this gift box for my mom for Christmas as well, and I wanted to test it out just in case I needed to return them. So let's talk about the next item in the box is the Almond Milk and Honey for sensitive, dry hands, calming and protecting hand cream. Hand creams are a must, and I've mentioned in some of my other videos that I have corpse-like fingers and sandpaper for hands. Very grateful to God for giving me these hands. Don't get me wrong, but they're not very soft. Like, you're not going to hold my hand and be like, oh, wow, girl, your hand's so soft. Like, ooh, like, no, you're going to be like, did you moisturize today? It's like, yeah, I actually applied a lot, you know, and okay, you're telling me that my hands are rough? Okay, so then I'm always like exfoliating my hands and just slathering up lotion. So I actually really like this moisturizer. Okay, so let's stick with the moisturizers. So this is the Body Butter Almond Milk for dry, sensitive skin, 96-hour nourishing moisture. So the Almond Honey scent is a very lightweight scent. It smells like a little bit sweet, but not like overpowering, and I think I like that a lot. I like that it is scented, but it's not too scented. I like that it's scented, but it's not an overpowering scent. There we go, Maya. So it is very moisturizing. It's thick. The first time I opened it, I was like, you know, because the body butter, it's thicker than just like a typical moisturizer. And so once I've used it for the first time, then it kind of softened up a little bit in this little container. And I absolutely loved it. It lasts for about 12 months. And I want to tell you guys the ounces. And this is 100% recycled plastic, which is really great. It's on the back. So it's 200 milliliters, so 6.75 ounces. And this is also vegan. I forgot to mention that. So if you're vegan and you want to only use vegan products, this is vegan. So very lightweight, very moisturizing, pleasant scent. Is this my favorite moisturizer? I would say it's probably in my top five favorite moisturizers. This whole collection is very inexpensive, which I really like. Now, the only thing, and I need to share this with you guys, this irritates, I'm sorry, my nipples, my areolas. It does. I don't get a rash. I get an itchy feeling. So I apply this on the rest of my body and I'm completely fine. There's nothing. I'm not breaking out. There's no redness, nothing. But around my nipples, I don't know why I'm whispering it, in my areolas, it's an itchy feeling. So I just put my healing ointment there and then I apply the moisturizer on the rest of my body. So I don't know what that is, but the rest of my body's fine. So I guess it's just, I'm just even more sensitive in those areas. So take that what you will. I still think you guys should at least try it because I don't react in any other areas, but I just wanted to let you guys know. I even let my mom know, and she's used it. She didn't have any irritation there, so I think I'm just extra sensitive in that area, which kind of makes sense. So the next product I have is the Almond Milk and Honey for Sensitive Dry Skin Soothing and Curing Shower Cream. So it's a cream, so it's like a gel, but just a cream. So it foams up, like it suds up, and it also has that really pleasant scent. It's actually even sweeter in the cream form than in the hand lotion and body butter, which I actually kind of like. It's like a luxurious moment that you're having in the bath or the shower, you know. And I just put this on my loofah, or I put this on my exfoliating gloves. It suds up, no problem. It's with organic almond milk, no colorant, soap, mineral oil, petroleum, and it's dermatologically tested. Like this a lot. This is nice. My skin's soft, like it is. Even with the body butter, my skin's soft. The only other thing I wanted to say with the body butter, because I love sharing this with you guys, if you have brown or darker skin and you're worried about looking ashy and things like that, this does not apply one of the things that I love. That's why it's not in, that's why this is not number 1 or number 2. It's not going to give you that glistening look that we like to have, you know, especially if you're brown or darker skin, because we don't want our skin to look dull or even dry, even though it is moisturized. So my skin feels really soft, but I do have to add an oil. But since it's the winter, fall time, I don't really add my body oils as much because no one's seeing my skin. You know what I mean? I'm layered up. So that is the one thing with this, but this also helps with the soft skin. Okay, so if you're looking for, if you like the Dove exfoliating polish, then you're gonna love this. If you like Tree Hut Sugar Scrub, go check out my Tree Hut Sugar Scrub versus Dove exfoliating polish video to hear my reviews on that. So if you like the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub, you're not gonna like this. This is so similar to the Dove exfoliating polish. It is crazy. This says enriched with almond milk from Spain and hand harvested honey from Ethiopia, vegetarian, forever against animal testing. It's like each container has like a different label on it, which is interesting. But this is very soft. Like, I mean, you can barely feel, I'm gonna call it beads, even though they're not beads. You can barely feel those exfoliating, that might confuse you guys, those exfoliating little tiny microballs. Because it is like the Dove exfoliating polish, but I feel like the Dove one has even more little micro beads in it than this one. Oh, it smells so good. This smells identical to this one, so it's the same scent, and then this is a lighter scent, just for comparison. This is the moisturizer scrub. So just so you guys know, in case you want to try one of the products, and you can buy them separately on the Body Shop's website, you can do that, so you don't have to get the gift box if you don't want to. This will make your skin feel really soft, and you're like, is it doing anything? Is this like gonna actually exfoliate my skin, get rid of my dead skin, make my skin soft? Yes. But I could barely feel it. I thought I was in the shower putting on lotion. And then when I rinsed it off, I was like, oh shoot, this is nice. This is really nice. So I actually really like this, and I think I will repurchase this. But then you can't beat the Dove exfoliating polish price. But the thing about the Dove exfoliating polish is like, their scents aren't, like at my Target, they don't offer every scent, and I'm sure at Walmart they probably do, but I don't be going in Walmart. You can say, Maya, you probably stuck up that you ain't going to Walmart. I don't care. Okay, I ain't trying to be in Walmart. I just really ain't. If I'm going to Walmart, it's as soon as they open them doors and I'm running in, I'm running right out. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment down below if you're willing to even try the almond milk and honey. Do you have any products from the Body Shop that I should try? I like hearing recommendations. I like trying new things. And I hope you guys are having a lovely day. And I'll see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.